Was it a tornado or something else? Let's talk downbursts. You've probably heard us say after a big storm, it wasn't a tornado, it was a downburst. And you might be thinking, wait, what's a downburst? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's start with a thunderstorm. Imagine a simple rain shower on a super hot day. The hot air near the ground starts to rise, just like a hot air balloon. And that rising air is packed with moisture. And as it climbs way up into the sky, it gets colder and colder. And eventually, that moisture turns into rain droplets high in the clouds, sometimes like really high, like 50 to 60,000 feet. These towering thunderstorm clouds are called cumulonimbus clouds. That's where the action happens. Lightning, thunder, heavy rain, and sometimes something unexpected. Here comes the downburst. Just like hot air rises, cool air sinks. And in a thunderstorm, rain-cooled air can suddenly rush downward from the cloud. Think of it like dumping a huge bucket of cold air from the sky. When that air hits the ground, it splashes out in all directions at super high speeds. That blast of wind is called a downburst. It can knock over trees, rip off roofs, and even flip small structures. It might not spin like a tornado, but it can do just as much damage. How do you tell the difference? Downburst damage usually looks neat and organized. Trees all fall in the same direction, like dominoes. Tornado damage is messy. Trees fall every which way because of the twisting winds. And what's a microburst? Glad you asked. A microburst is just a smaller version of a downburst. Same idea, just on a smaller scale.